Hi MTV, my name is Maya Simone and welcome to my Los Angeles studio apartment. So I live in a 500 square feet studio in Los Angeles, California, and I pay about $1,400 a month. This is my first big girl apartment, and this right here is my pride and joy. As you can tell, I'm a maximalist and lover of color. So if I like it, I'ma buy it. Or if I like it, I'm gonna put it up. These are all prints that I've purchased from a site called Society6, or I printed out on my own from Google, or I thrifted. I also like a lot of dimension and textures. So some of these I actually DIY'd, like this frame right here. I DIY'd by using like a hot glue gun or painting something. This was originally black, but I painted it lavender. This was originally brown, but I painted it whatever color that is. I had to turn off the AC to film this. I also have my photo albums or scrapbooks sitting on the top of the couch in case people want to flip through them and see what my life is about. I feel like there's a lost art of keeping physical memories. That's why I have this and a bunch of magazines as well. I hate that you can see my reflection, but in this corner behind me, this is like my gold corner. This mirror was actually at Ross for like $25. This tiger image or portrait, it was from Goodwill for like $5 or something. I'm a Leo and I love big cats. I wish it was a lion instead, but whatever. And here is where I have my degree framed. I found this, I believe, at Marshall's, maybe like $12, $14. But I know that it's probably not the best thing to do because, I don't know, you're supposed to like maintain degrees or like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, you know how librarians maintain books? You're supposed to be maintaining a degree. Like making sure like the weather and the temperature is okay. I don't know, let's move on. Behind this cow print door is my closet that I actually turned into my cloffice, but I actually don't use it as an office because it's so hot in there and it doesn't have any ventilation. I'm not gonna show you what's inside of there, but I'll put a picture or something. I gotta hurry up.
Forgot to mention, but my couch is from Wayfair, rug is from Etsy, and pillows are from TJ Maxx.
The lighting isn't the best and very exposed because the sun is coming this way, but directly across from that living area is my sleeping area. I have a full-size bed in here. Next to my bed is another little gallery wall situation, but this time it's featuring my family. This is more so like a glitz and glamour type of vibe. I love crystals, rhinestones. I'm kind of blocking it, but back to this area next to my gallery wall and couch is another photo setup that I have. These are just colorful images or colorful outfits of Black women celebrities. Right here next to the heater is one of my very first plants in this apartment, and then underneath is just this rolling drawer organization system that I got from Michael's, and I just keep all things that I probably should throw away, but like all of my DIY arts and crafts and tools and stuff. Not the best angle or lighting, but directly next to my bed on the floor, this is where I just do my makeup and stuff. And I originally did have a vanity right here, a very cute one actually, but I put it in my closet just because it just felt too cluttered in here. Before you enter the kitchen, this is where you can find my floating bookshelves. I actually recently just installed this about 2 months ago. I'm honestly not a big reader. I do like books, but if I'm keeping it a buck, I just wanted this to add some more color. I'm lying, I did read maybe about 5 books here, or maybe 3. But anyways, this is the view directly into the kitchen. This piece of art was actually the very first piece of art that I bought for this entire apartment. I bought it from Ross for, it was actually $9. Over here, you kind of have a sneak peek of another gallery wall, but it's something I actually did a month ago. I just felt like this space was blank, so let me bring you closer. These are actually all images that I repurposed or just printed them out on Walgreens. For example, this was in a calendar from like 2022, so I just ripped it out, painted the frame, and framed it. These are my house rules that I typed up and printed from Canva at Walgreens. I have a lot of mirrors in my place. This is the image that my sister digitized for me of me and my great grandma, and then if you can see right there, it's a photo of my dog. RIP. This is where my dining area is. I got the 2 pink chairs from Home Depot, and I got the table from Amazon. And this area right here is where most people are familiar with, especially on TikTok, because this is where I film my intros for my cooking show. I actually just DIY'd this mirror also a month ago. Directly below it is my bar cart. I honestly barely use it. It's really more for show because of course I like funky glasses and things like that. I forgot what these are called, but I think it's called like a baking table or something. It's not meant for like chopping and preparing food or nothing because it's very wobbly, or maybe this one just is. I just keep all of my vitamins and like essentials that I grab for the most up here, and then this is where I film my meals. I need to actually wipe the table off. Directly underneath you could actually like pull it out, and this is just where I keep miscellaneous stuff like tea bags, noodles, things like that. Behind me is my kitchen. It's actually pretty big. I have full-size appliances, a lot of storage, but this is ultimately the reason why I'm moving out, because unfortunately there are a lot of roaches. And most recently I found a mouse in my sink when I came back from vacation, and I'm tired of living like that, so it's time to go.
Of course my camera died, but here's a quick peek at my bathroom, which was jungle safari themed. I got everything from Amazon, Etsy, thrifted, you name it. And that concludes my tour. Thank you so much for tuning in. It was very fast, but I hope you liked it, and I hope you stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe.